Many people think tiny homes are too small. They worry about space. They picture cramped rooms. This couldn't be further from the truth. Tiny homes are full of charm. They encourage simple living. They can be both stylish and functional. Let me show you how. We can transform a tiny space. We can make it a cozy oasis. It starts with smart design. It's about maximizing every inch. We can create a space that is both beautiful and practical. Let's talk about the kitchen. This is the heart of any home. In a tiny home, it's even more important. We need to be creative. We need to use every inch wisely. Open shelving is a great idea. It makes the space feel bigger. It also shows off pretty dishes. We can use vertical space for storage. Hooks and rails keep things organized. Natural light is key in a tiny house. It opens up the space. We can add a skylight. We can use mirrors to reflect light. Multifunctional furniture is a must. The table can fold down. It can become extra counter space. DIY projects add personality. We can paint cabinets a bright color. We can add a tile backsplash. These little touches make a big difference. Now let's step outside. The backyard is an extension of our tiny home. It's a place to relax and connect with nature. We can create a patio with pavers. A fire pit adds warmth and ambiance. Plants bring life to the space. We can add potted herbs and flowers. A small garden is perfect for growing vegetables. Living in a tiny home is about more than just small spaces. It's about living simply and sustainably. It's about appreciating the little things.